अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? जैसा कि आपको पता है हर जगह पे बच्चों को सर्दियों की छुट्टियां हो गई हैं, तो मैं बच्चों के लिए बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस लेकर आई हूँ। वो काम जो मैंने बच्चों से सारी छुट्टियों में करवाए हैं वो आप भी करवाएं और बच्चों की छुट्टियों को बहुत यूज़फुल बनाएं। देखें, मैंने कलर्स करवाए बच्चों से, कुकिंग करवाई है, इवन घर के काम भी। आज की वीडियो में देखते हैं बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं। आप आगे वीडियो देखें और एंजॉय करें।
कैसे हैं आप?
मेरा नाम हीरा है।
मेरा नाम आहद है।
आज हम बना रहे हैं क्लब सैंडविच।
क्लब सैंडविच बना रहे हैं। क्लब
ये हमारे पास यहाँ पे ब्रेड है जो ट्रायंगल साइजेस में कटी हुई है। वी हैव श्रेडेड चिकन, मायोनीज, this is cabbage, and this is egg that we are gonna smash, and this is all the utensils. So first I am going to smash the egg. You want to smash?
No.
Add all the ingredients here. First we will add the mayonnaise in this huge container. Can you add the shredded chicken, Hadi?
पूरा डाल दो। आराम
Yes.
से। Yes.
You can add. Now we will add this. This is salt and pepper together. This is pepper, black pepper, and salt. Now we will mix it all together.
एग नहीं डालेंगे।
वो एंड में डालेंगे.
ओके
First we will mix it together.
वाओ।
Now we will add the egg
ओके
because it's all mixed together, na, perfectly.
वाओ एग।
Yes,
Mix.
this egg. You like eggs?
यस
Do you have eggs in breakfast?
यस
You too? We should eat eggs daily. One egg. Okay. We should always eat egg daily, 1 or 2, because it gives us protein. Now let your brother mix it.
Mix. Stop.
Now we will assemble everything. 1 plate for you. Can you move this here? 1 plate for Ahad.
No, my God.
Okay.
This is
Now this for you. One knife for you.
Yes.
1 knife for her. Now we will take 1 piece of bread
Yes.
and we will spread this mixture on 1 piece of bread. Spread with your knife and spread it on the bread. Okay. With your knife, Ahad,
करो ना कर दिया.
Now we will add it perfectly. Wow, how you have done it very quickly.
Yes.
I'm still spreading it.
Fast. Hadi, fast.
Now we will take the second piece of bread and place it on top.
Okay.
And we will again next round of the spread you put it. Wow. Hadi, do it fast.
Fast. I'm setting opposite.
Hadi, don't keep putting it in the same place. Just spread it throughout the sandwich evenly so it doesn't get uneven. Wow, my sandwich looks so good.
My
No, you're just looking this. Okay.
No.
Good. How do you still there? You haven't even put your second layer on.
Yes, Hadi.
Let's
Second
see who
bread,
will win.
Second bread.
Let's see who will win. This is my sandwich, which is perfectly made.
This is my sandwich.
Average.
This is a yummy.
Yes.
This is my sandwich.
Good. Just like we made this sandwiches very easy to make for lunch or dinner or snacks. We also make it
आप
in
भी
your
ऐसा बनाते घर में.
Yes.
Lunch के लिए.
Just like eating.
Yes.
Allah Hafiz everybody. Bye. Make sure to like the video.
Yes.
Subscribe to our channel Neelam
Yes.
Cooks. And thanks for watching. Bye.
Neelam Cooks.
Neelam Cooks. Bye.
Bye.
If this video gets 10
Yes.
likes,
Yes. 1,000 likes. Yes.
we will make more videos on how we are spending our vacations
Yes.
and doing these
My school
activities.
vacation.
Yes. School vacation.
Yes.
Cool.